welcome to another day in the maintenance video. So today I do have this nair that I'm going to be using for underneath my arm. This is one of the alternatives. I used to do this back in the day, like 3, 4, 5 years ago. So I will put it on my hand. Let's see if this can be used that way. Yeah, do not exceed over 10 minutes. So you're going to leave it for 10 minutes. So as you guys can see, I have here underneath my arm, I'm doing short form content as well, like kill two birds with one stone. So as you guys can see, I have hair underneath my arm. I'm using this nair. All right, so we're gonna put some on. And if you know me, I'm notorious in doing both arms at once, but I'm gonna just do one at a time. This is how it looks, and I can feel a little bit of sensation. Then I'm gonna just wait on, I should have a timer, but anyways, I'll wait for 10 minutes and then I'll take it off. But I'll turn you guys back on when I'm about to take it off, because I'm not gonna let y'all sit here for 10 minutes. But just know it's 10 minutes, okay? It says dispense cream on palm of hand outside of shower, apply thick even layer, do not rub in. Use hands immediately after, wash hands immediately after application. Wait 1 minute before showering. Shower as usual. Wait 3 additional minutes to check small areas. Thicker hair may require more time. So let me just put a little bit more, because this hair underneath my arm is thick. Because I was about to do a wax with you guys, but I said, you know what, let's try this. When I use razors underneath my arm, I do get razor bumps, so I really don't use razors as much. I don't use it at all, to be honest. Only wax or nair, or sometimes I would use a scissors and cut the hair down. Yeah, I know. But I'll be back. Amazing! Talk truth.
Oh, you look so nice.
And the hair is not even down yet.
I know.
Alright, let's go. You see what's about Terry? You see his outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you. Look, tell Terry. They look nice.
Let me see.
This is called a Terry effect, y'all. Terry Lee.
Effect.
Terry Lee effect.
I knew my phone was bad.
This is nice. You look like money. I didn't even show y'all me, right?
Because I tell a lot of people, you never know who's watching you. I never knew they were watching me. One thing about me, I just...
Terry and his glory, y'all. Doing what he does best. Hey, y'all. We are about to head out. I got this shirt yesterday from the mall. Let's just take this tag off. This is called Sonoma, Good for Life. This is a rib V-neck tank top. So good, y'all. The quality on this is so good. It's very thick, and that's how I like my v-necks. I normally get my v-necks from Walmart or Target. That's when I used to shop in Target heavily, but Walmart for sure. But I think I'll be going to the mall at Macy's. Was it Macy's? No, it was, what's that place called? Hold on. I said, you know what? Let me put y'all down so I can show y'all all of the stuff that I purchased. I think I got them from JCPenney. Yeah, from JCPenney. And I got this white one as well. I also got this, and this is double lined. I love this so much, y'all. I love the neck, and then it has like a rib on the side. This was $29, but they had them on sale, so it was a few dollars, 10% off, because it was $23.99 at checkout. I got these from Kohl's. I got this from Kohl's. This dress. I love the neckline. That's very different. It's long sleeve and it's mini. This was 75% off. I love the shop and the sale rack. So this was $15.99. The brand is Bold Elements. I'm going on a trip, 24 hours at Atlanta, so I got this mini makeup pouch. This was $12.99. I also purchased a one size setting spray. I got so much stuff. Y'all check these new sunnies that I picked up. It's definitely giving Tom Ford vibes. These are definitely inspired by Tom Ford. I just love this right here. I love how thick the frames are. Listen, this summer we're ready to be outside, honey. And we blocking out all the sunlight and all of the haters as well. You ain't popping if you, it's a, what does song say? You ain't popping if you ain't popping if you ain't got no hate. Listen, I'm always off tune. I mean, you ain't popping if you got a hate. Whatever. I'm gonna try to do this. But yeah, y'all. So we came to get our nails done. This is a press on nail salon where they have a variety of different sizes, shapes, colors, and I wanted to try it out. So let's go.